hell? What's up, gamers? Alright. Today we're gonna be playing some airplane story mode. No, I don't wanna buy any of your products. Look at these fresh leaves. Alright, well today, when I'm playing it, I did play another game, but that one was a huge bust of playing. You can play Airplane 2 mode? Well, why not? I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna. Oh, why not? I just don't feel like it. That's all. So, and then the mother vlogs. Oh. So, I done the other vlogs, but, like, everything I'm trying to try. I always like, lose. Alright. G5. G5. Where's G5? Why am I over here? Hello, everyone. This is your captain speaking. Oh, there's G5. Get on. You are currently flying at 33. Yeah, I found my feet. Weather good, which means we will be arriving in no time to our destination. Feel free to explore that airplane. No, feel free to explore the reason why we are in a weird airplane, the reason why we can walk around. I'm really concerned about where we can exit. Like, if I was to exit over here, can I exit? That's really weird. Hi, man. I might have a crush on you. I don't know. Now, please find your seat as we are about to crash. I'm on my seat. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my seat. Yay, I'm on my way. My seat looks so comfortable. Yay. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, no. Oh, no. Thank you for your cooperation.
Compass and the other side is a knife.
Get ready as your crew prepares a snack for everybody. Oh, you're gonna be like some kind of sandwich? Why sandwiches? Hello, everyone. We are our crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Enjoy. Ooh, sandwich. Good sandwich right here. Oh no, sandwich.
Huh? Amazon.
Oh my god, I'm not feeling very well.
What a reliable store you can always go to.
Wait, this sandwich has mayo? I'm allergic to mayo. I'm allergic to mayo. Oh no. Quickly, we need to find see if we got a bag of soap medicine. Why am I the one? I found it. Oh, thank you. You. That was a close one. It was a close one. Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform you that we have reached at the stable at altitude. It would be good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We still have a few hours. Oh no. Oh no. Huh. It appears that we've lost energy. Hang on, we'll try to fix it. Guys, look. What is that on the right wing? I wonder. You will not survive. Are those snakes? Oh no. No. Oh god. Where are they? Where are they? Where are the snakes? And why are you staying there? Mom, there's snakes. There's snakes there. Guys, there's an open restroom. Go in. Oh, yay, we made it. Everyone get in. Hurry up, there's nothing over here. Come on. They're gonna die hopping in the restroom. Sorry. Oh god, we're gonna die. They're gonna die. He's gonna die. Oh, y'all made it. Guys, the other restroom. Okay. That was scary. We discussed the heck. Was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening. We should. Great. I really skilled. I have a really good skill. What am I getting? I'm listening. Power's back up. Boom, boom, boom. And those snakes are gone. Thank God. The creature on the wing is also gone. Creepy. How is that creepy that the creature's gone? Your attention, passengers. Passengers, I have the good. I have good news and bad news. The good news is that the power is back on. And the power is back up. The bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. Oxygen mass will drop over from your seats. Take one quick. Alright, people, get one. Get one. Don't die on me. Don't die on me. Did I want to die? No. This max will keep you safe until we stabilize my oxygen levels. Oh no. Why? Why? Oh my god. What is this? What's what? It looks like a bomb. Oh no. Where do we go? What are we going to do? Okay, everyone. Calm down. I think I remember this part people play. If we find something, strip the cable, we might save off plus. Let's go. I found a pair of scissors. Now I got them on them. What cable should I cut? Get over here, Persian. He might die. No! He didn't make it. We didn't make it. We have to keep going if we want to survive. They both died. Gosh. I'm the only one here. We haven't heard of the crew in a while. We should look for them and check if everything is okay. Oh my God, the crew. Where are you, Captain? Captain Brinnybeard, where's the crew? That's be the question. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Where is the crew? Where's the crew? Oh no! I found them. They are unconscious. We need to alert the captain. Quickly, get to the captain's room. What the frick? Who knocked it out? Where is the captain? Where are all these people? Where's the captain? Oh. Where's the captain? I can't find the captain. It's locked. Something is happening inside. Captain might be in trouble. Oh no. This door needs a code. If we find it, we might be able to open it. Hurry up. Where is the cable? The code? Everything? This airplane's ruined. I'm the only one here. I found the code. Oh God, why is everything happening? Can we open that? Oh no! It's the creature! What the frick? Look at him! You will pay for what you have done. What did I do? What am I playing? You think you are here on accident? But you're not. I might be. I brought you here. All of you. All of you. That is not possible. It isn't like, what the heck? It is. And now, it's time to die. No. Why? See you in the afterlife. Well, I don't got to fight you. The captain is unconscious. No. The plane is falling. What are we going to do? Why are you unconscious? We need to find the autopilot button. Click on the button. Click everything and find that button. Did we click everything? Oh. No, where's the button? Found it, the button. I'm almost gonna die there. We did it! We saved the plane! It has been a very crazy flight. Tell me what? I just want to be home already. Exactly. Gosh, damn, this freaking flight is so horrible. Just take me home. Take me home. Now all we need to do is find the emergency phone so we can call for help. Oh, emergency phone. I know where that is. Oh, it's in the other room of the airplane, really? Why? Everything gotta be in the other room of these airplanes. Hello? We need help. Our captain is unconscious. He is. Don't worry, we will get you home in no time. Is everyone okay? Yes, we are okay. Yeah, right. Autopilot mode is on. You mean I'm okay because everyone else died? Which one? Okay. We traced your location and we are taking control. Taking control. There is one last test I have for you. Someone needs to keep the plane on track. I'll keep the plane on track. First of all, the reason why find someone to sit on the co-pilot seat aside the captain. Blah, blah. The reason why we all didn't survive was because first of all, one person oh no, I'm the only person here. We might die here. But yeah, everyone else died. Two people got blown up by, they died. They all died, but I know. Okay, everyone, I got this. Oh my God, now everyone's not here. The video game need to change their setup. Oh, guy's back. Oh no, it's back. It's always back. It's always back. How are you still alive, CVSVJGJ? I need to fix my freaking password, but I killed all of your friends. Oh, I gotta kill them. But you? There is something about you. I'm not changing the voice. Your energy does not let me kill you. I'm not going anywhere with you, monster. I'm the chosen one. Exactly. I am the AK Samurai himself. I will come back for you. You're never gonna get me? You're never gonna get me? Bro, are you too scared to fight? Oh, come on. I can't believe I was the only survivor. Finally, he actually said something that's actually true. Airplane victory. Let's go. We won. We won the game. Yeah. Yay, finally. This game was good. I love this game. It was fun. So if y'all want me to do the next one with Airplane 2, I think this one was Airplane 1. All you gotta do is smash that like button and give me like about 1,000 likes. And maybe I will start a real YouTube channel, a real one. I mean, I'm ready for it. I mean, like, I am ready for it. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. It was really cool playing this game. If y'all want to play Airplane 2, I'll play it one day. Wait for it. But anyway, y'all, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye. I just got like a good